Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Zan Solution, and you are watching my YouTube channel Zan Solution. So first of all, I welcome you all on my YT channel Zan Solution. And if you are new, so I request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see my every video first on your mobile screen. So let's start. So today I am here with a new amazing site, token site, which name is Rayons Energy, and we will discuss in detail what is Rayons Energy and what are their features that makes unique it's from all other token site. So let's start our video. So first thing that I want to tell you about Ryon. So Ryon Energy has several strengths. So I found it in internal article and I wanted to bring it in my view for you to see. The strength is that they already have a CNPJ that already brings robustness and seriousness into the token. Always concerned with every detail, they filled a trademark registration process with the INPI on 14th of July 2021. And guys, having a trademark is something very serious for authenticity of the company. That's why Rayons Energy is the first concerned coin to worry about registration even before launch. So we also discussed their tokenomics, their team, their white paper, and their roadmap also. So first thing is very necessary that they are releasing on 24th of October 2021. So it's mean only 4 hours and 9 minutes are remaining to its releasing. So after this, here you can see about little information about the Rayons. More than a token, an innovative project thinking about innovating in the use of clean energy. So they will create a cryptocurrency mining company that uses solar energy for mining. So it's very amazing idea that they are using a solar energy for mining in cryptocurrency. So in addition, they will enter the electricity distribution market selling part of the energy generated by the solar plant. So there are their functions that the number one is cryptocurrency mining, power generation benefits to holders. So step 2. So after this, when we scroll down here, we will find out the other things that the first token to give three forms of staking. It's only first token. Its uniqueness is showing here. So first is privilege the participate in step 2 profits with energy and hold. You can receive Rayons token by holding Rayons, hold Rayons and receive Rayon tokens. So privileged to participate in step 2 profit from mining. So you can also generate your profit from mining. So after this we discuss their tokenomics here. So tokenomics is basically their token distribution. So they have 4% from their total supply for their charity, 6% and 8%, 12% is for their devs, and after this 20% is for manual burning, 20% is for sorry this is something here. So you can match its color, sorry. So 6% is for dev, 8% is for manual burning, 12% for is execution, 20% is for exclusive, 20% for pancake swap, and 30% is for burn. So after this, their total supply is 20 billion here. So they have 11% of the fees, 3% is token for holders, 3% for liquidity, 3% for the execution portfolio, 1% for dev, 1% for the buyback function. So Rayon Energy Resource Management step 2, here you can find that they have 60% holder privilege here. So after this 30% for reinvestment in Rayon Energy and 10% for developers. So after discussing their token distribution, here you can find out their tokens on BSC Scan, PooCoin Chart, and Liquid Troncada. So first of all, we discuss about the Pancake Swap. If you we are first of all we open these all, so they get time of for their loading. So after this, before this, we discuss about their other things like follow chart. This is their follow chart. Here you can see that they also give the information here. So if you want to get more information, you need to download their white paper also. So after this, roadmaps are the transparency. Roadmaps are the different plans that they set in different phases or different quarter. So if you want to check their phase one, you need to click on phase one. So these are the plans that they set in their phase one. So after this, you can also check their level 2 roadmap. So when you click on the level 2, here you will find out their plans for level 2 or stage 2. If you want to get information for stage 3, so here they have a plan for CMC listing. It's their CoinGecko listing on exchange, so creating the API for discount, P2P sale, token burning and all. So after this, if you want to get information for their plans for stage 4, so they have different plans, so you can read it by clicking on stage 4, and you can also check their plans for stage 5. So after this, we discuss about their solution transparency. They have a transparency, innovation and sustainability. So first thing is photovoltaic energy generated without emission for pollutants sale. So energy trading for the distribution network. Cryptocurrency mining means the mining through solar energy, and the other thing is collaborative economy, which means that 60% privilege from benefits divided to holders. Step 2. So after this, when we scroll down here, we will find out their team members. So they have an amazing team, hardworking team. So here you can also see their mining company acquisition and solar power plant. These are all coming soon. So after this, here you can also see their partner or their listed sites. So first of all, here in PancakeSwap, you will find out them on PancakeSwap. You can also check there that they are verified from BSC scan. Their chart is also available on the PooCoin chart, so you can check it. So after this, we go back to our website homepage, and we discuss about the other things. So first of all, we discuss how we can buy their token. You need to click on the buy token, and you will find out the PancakeSwap page. So it may take long time. So before this, this is PancakeSwap. You need only to connect their wallet. So we already discussed in detail how we connect our wallet and how we swap any token to other token. So you need to connect your wallet. You can also set their slippage here. So after this, you need to have BNB in your wallet if you want to buy their tokens, and you need to select their token at this place. So you can find out it by their contract address and click on the swap, then their token will automatically add it to your wallet. So here you will find out their Telegram. So on Telegram you will find out each and every update regarding their project. So I open it in web. So it sorry, it's network problem. So first of all, we discuss other things. You can also find them on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter. So here, one more thing that I want to tell you, that the public, they have tokens for public dev. They have since the beginning, and it's been 4 months since they have been working on the project, and this demonstrates how the project is much more serious and structured than many tokens that are released anyway in market. The first plan will be launched in Brazil with a capacity of the 1 megawatt to supply the mining machines, while the second plant will be in the northeast with the intention of reaching 460 megawatts. This is in the long term, of course. So it's 4 developers, and they are all public. So here you can see their project images. So sorry, it's what's update. So when we scroll it up, so sorry. So here you will find out each and everything. So if you want to get more information, so you need to download their white paper. So these are their projects. So First of all, with this planet, they will sell credits via shared generation with a focus on companies with high energy composition, consumption, and a third stage of the project after plant's project is established will also be the construction of warehouses to form a business condominium where companies that demand high consumption will be able to rent these sheds within the plant's space and install them within the plant and use its facilities. This is something very innovative indeed, as this as how company will use sustainable energy with very low cost. In addition to increase the commitment to environmental responsibility and reducing energy cost, companies will also be able to obtain a certificate through the ESG social and interactive governance, only using the renewable energy system in their operation. So after this, initially they will offer a reduced cost of renting the shed to encourage the migration of companies to the business condominium that they intend to set up the next to the plant, as this will reduce not only the cost of energy only not only for you who have a company and are entrepreneur, as well as the cost of rent, now a benefit for you holder. A second step, after being in legal compliance, they will split 60% of the profit that will be transferred to the holders portfolio in the form of burst obtained from mining and energy generation. The division of rent profit may also take place, but will depend on other requirements. So one more amazing thing regarding the project there, that they have 75% of the company is made up to women. So made up of women. This is undoubtable a major milestone in the history of Rayons and in the crypto active market. They know that in this area there is a lot of male strength, and Rayons will be the first major DeFi project led by women. This will indeed attract. So you can also, so if you want that we already show these are the team members. So it's mean they have 75% of they have 75% of the strength of women in their team members. So after this, many projects are only able to close partnership, guys. So after the launch, you may have already followed this, but Rounds already comes with such a big proposal that it already comes with big names behind it. Let's start so you have an idea through Deal Console with Fernando Lopes, who is a consultant for numerous projects in the tokenization area. Founders of the data currency. Who is the data currency? So it is a specialized technology company, BI Business Intelligence for decentralized finance, and has a solid background in law and technology with numerous articles and books published, which are constantly cited as reference by other specialists. Do a search so you can know a little more of his articles as well. In addition to legal advice, Rayons also partnered with a very renowned marketing agency. They are professionals who have worked looked since 1992 in the form of a split in a print magazine, after which they received 3 awards highlighted as the best magazine in the sector glass mark maker by Anna Widrow in 2009, 2011 and 2013. So another surprising point is that the token is reported even before its launch, and Rayons already has an article published in a major news portal. The Rayons team is sparing no efforts to raise the brand name to other levels. So big name is digital have also receive an exclusive kit sent by the developers, which shows that they are not kidding, because to do what I mentioned, they are not only investing time in the project, they are also investing money, unlike most other projects that only start heavy marketing after the launch and use the marketing portfolio sources for that. They did not they already anticipated and injected so resources out of their own pockets. They injected their own resources and one of those name is the investment expert Danny Colombo. So Danny Colombo has been an investor since the age of 18 and has over 200,000 followers on its Instagram and almost 500,000 followers on TikTok, where she teaches investing for free. Another well-known name in the investment area is professional trader Gabriel Alves, who is CEO of the Global Bit Forum. So the young talent who has more than 36,000 subscribers on his channel and almost 30,000 followers on Instagram. Now that you understand how the brand is known, so it's very amazing. So it's a very amazing, and it's very amazing chance for you to buy their tokens and become a millionaire, because this is very amazing. So here you can see them on WhatsApp, Telegram. So if you want to visit the Telegram group, so you can also check their pin message here. So pin message are the latest updates and very necessary information regarding their project, so you can find each and every solution of the problem that you have regarding their project. So thank you very much for seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.